Can this repair method work for larger cracks, and how wide is too wide for reliable results? For cracks up to 2 inches wide, the same basic approach applies, but you must scale materials and preparation accordingly. Start by clearing loose debris with a wire brush, then rinse and allow the cavity to dry completely because moisture prevents adhesion. Use a backer rod size to sit about 1/4 inch below the joint surface so the sealant will have the correct depth to flex. For very large gaps, a dense foam pool noodle can be trimmed to shape and used as a backer. Choose a high-quality elastic repair compound formulated for the substrate and mix per the manufacturer directions, keeping working times in mind so you can tool the joint before skin forms. When filling, apply the material in layers for deep cavities rather than trying to overfill in one pass, tooling each layer to remove voids and ensure contact with both faces. Allow full cure time between layers and before subjecting the repair to load or weather to achieve the designed flexibility and adhesion. Common mistakes include leaving the cavity wet or dirty, which causes poor bond, so always dry and clean the crack thoroughly. If it is stubborn, use a vacuum and solvent wipe and confirm dryness before proceeding. Another frequent issue is using too small a backer rod, which makes the sealant too deep and leads to surface cracking. So match backer rod diameter to the crack and maintain the recommended 1/4 inch setback below the surface. A third problem is overfilling deep cracks in a single pass, which traps air and prevents full cure. So build repairs in manageable layers, tooling each layer and waiting the indicated cure time. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and compare approaches for concrete and masonry repairs. We host an active discussion community where we and other members share detailed tips, photos, and real-world experiences to help you choose the right method and materials.